There are several key standard reports that are useful in every small business. First, the profit and loss report. The profit and loss report tells us about the performance of our business. It describes what we've sold in income, our expenses of our cost of goods sold, and our overhead expenses to give us a profit. QuickBooks provides you with a profit and loss report at any time. You can edit the profit and loss report by changing the dates, and clicking Run Report. And here we see a profit and loss report for the entire year. We can also do comparatives if we want. We can click the drop down here under Compare Another Period, and we can choose Previous Year. After choosing Previous Year, click Run Report, and QuickBooks now does a comparison. Another key report when we look back at our report list is the balance sheet. The balance sheet is different than the profit and loss. The balance sheet provides us with the position of our company, where we stand with our assets, what we own, our liabilities, or what we owe, and our equity. How much money do we have in the business? We can create the balance sheet at any given time to provide us with information about the strength of our company. When we go back to the report list, we can also see two key reports about what we owe and who owes us. First, the accounts payable aging summary. This gives us an overview of what we owe to our suppliers. We can see in the current period what we owe and then aging over time. We can always use the zoom feature by hovering over any number and clicking it, and QuickBooks will give us a detailed report on that number. We'll go back to our report list. Finally, our accounts receivable aging summary. So who owes us? We can look at this report. It's the same as the accounts payable, only for our customers. We can see who currently owes us and what we're owed over time. It's a good idea to create favorites in QuickBooks to make sure that the most important reports are saved on the Standard tab under the top of the list under your favorites.